In this video, you'll learn how to recover your OKX wallet using your phone number. This process is straightforward and will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access to your account seamlessly. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Wait for the app to load completely until you reach the home screen where you will see options for logging in or creating an account. Next, click the login button. This action will take you to the login screen where you will need to enter your account credentials, focus on the login form that appears. After that, look for a question mark icon or a link that says need help. This option is typically located near the bottom of the login form. Clicking on it will direct you to a help menu with various options for account recovery. In the help menu, find and select the option labeled Reset Authentication. This will initiate the recovery process, allowing you to reset your authentication settings. Now enter the phone number linked to your OKX account in the provided field. Make sure that this number is correct, as it is essential for receiving recovery instructions. Verify that your phone number corresponds with the one associated with your account before proceeding. Once you've entered your phone number, you may need to wait briefly for a confirmation message or code to be sent to your device. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures that only you can access your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.